Planned removal of trees in downtown Augusta, dozens of them on Telfair Street on the chopping block to make way for road work. George Escala now tells us the mayor wants to talk about it at Wednesday's meeting.
When it comes to the planned removal of dozens of trees on Telfair Street, the mayor is getting an earful.
Certainly hearing a lot of concern from our citizens. As you know, Telfair Street is one of the most historic in all of our city. I also have some concerns about some of the mature trees that are designated to be cut down.
Dozens of trees branded with an X slated for removal. The mayor's so concerned, he's adding to Wednesday's meeting, allowing project opponents like the Riverkeeper the chance to air their concerns.
You're talking about a historic community that has, we have very strong ordinances that protect. There's trees that should be protected, and all of them are now being axed.
One on the chopping block is a crepe myrtle designated as a state champion due to its size and age, but even a state champion can be cut.
It is not protected by law. The legislature could protect it if someone had taken the effort to get it protected.
City engineers say the project's landscape architect is looking into whether some old trees can be saved, something supporters say needs to happen. A shame that you would cut down a champion designated tree.
Not only a shame, it's embarrassing to see a pink X on a champion crepe myrtle. So hopefully we've got that resolved.
The commission should be aware of that and should know and go into changing this before it's too late. Because I'd like to know who's going to want to live in Old Town when it's a barren landscape. Trees don't just grow overnight.
As the opposition grows to removing so many old trees downtown. In Augusta, George Escala, WJBF, News Channel 6.